Hello everyone. Today in English we are going to learn a poem Treasure Trove. Let's see the meaning for the title Treasure Trove. Treasure. What does that mean? Anything that is greatly valued. Treasure. Anything that is greatly valued. Example: wealth, stock of money, jewels, etc. Trove. Trove means a collection of things. Trove, a collection of things. So, treasure trove is nothing but a collection of valuable things. Treasure trove, a collection of valuable things. Let's learn the meanings for the difficult words in the poem. Space, beyond earth. Space, beyond earth. Zoom, travel quickly. Zoom, travel quickly. Glance, look. Glance, look. History, the study of past events. History, the study of past events. Discover, find. Discover, find. Mystery, unknown thing. Mystery, unknown thing. Crime, illegal activities. Crime, illegal activities. Mermaid, an imaginary creature. Mermaid, an imaginary creature. Let's get into the poem. Children, we know that treasure trove means collection of valuable things. In this poem, the poet expresses that the habit of reading books is the treasure to be valued. Books are the treasure trove, the collection of valuable things. Do you have the habit of reading books, children? In this poem, the poet highlights the values of reading books. Let's read the poem. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Books can be our best friend. Good books enlighten our mind and doubles our happiness when we are happy. Reading a book takes us to a new world that gives us a peace of mind when we are sad. So the poet asks us to read books when we are happy or sad. Learn about space, land and Mars. Let's repeat. Learn about space, land and Mars. By reading books related to space, we can gain an amazing amount of knowledge and information about the area outside the earth. So the poet says that helps us to go to Mars in future. What is called Mars? Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. Children, you too can land on Mars in future if you are interested. Picture an auto race zoom with cars. Picture an auto race zoom with cars. Once we start reading, we can experience a new world of imagination. Reading enhances our creative thoughts and images in our mind. It makes us to think creatively. So the poet asks us to imagine a race with the fast-moving cars. A glance at history, go back in time. A glance at history, go back in time. Reading history books make us aware about the life of our ancestors. They enable us to know the way of life they led and difficulties they faced. We may get inspired from historical events and legends. So, the poet asks us to look history books to know about our past. To discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about lost bicycle. Where can it be? To discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about lost bicycle. Where can it be? Here, lost bicycle does not denotes the vehicle, whereas anything that is lost. By reading different books, new ideas and thoughts pop up in our mind. This improves our analytical skill, which helps to find unknown and lost things or to solve problems. Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. When we read fairy tale books, it takes us to the world of imagination. Mermaid is an imaginary creature with the head and the upper body of a female human and the tail of a fish. The poet says that by our imagination we can visit a mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Let's read the poem. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. A glance at history, go back in time. To discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about lost bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Children, as poet said, the habit of reading books is the treasure to be greatly valued. So, develop the habit of reading good books to enrich your knowledge, skills, and creative ability. Thank you.